Whaatalofa atu le paia ma me malo Samoa lo whaafonga mai le nei tū la o lo ingoa o Naomi Stritton, and we are back with another episode of Goviti series. Last week we were very grateful to hear Tali and his story about his journey with Goviti, but now we are in one of the largest schools in New Zealand, Avondale College, and look who it is, one of Koko Samoa Youth Show's very own, Sylvia Tapu.
Talofa lava, my name is Sylvia Tapu. I'm a Year 11 student here at Avondale College and a Koko Samoa Youth Show technician every Saturdays from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Radio Samoa 1593.
Alo lava. So Sylvia, what have you learnt from your experience with COVID-19?
From COVID-19, my schoolmates and I have learnt to adapt to change. For example, online learning, technology use, and that we need to expect the unexpected.
Whawhai tere lava Sylvia, ma nai a telele nei a wanoa e whaatau ai pēa a ua onga le whanau, so i fua ma ia manuia.